Hey there, James Bill here from jamesbillofficial.com. Guys, I want to speak to you today about affiliate marketing for beginners, tips and strategies. I've been in the affiliate marketing now for about 3 years, and let's just say it has been a learning experience, guys. It's a very interesting, lucrative business. But what I want to tell you is, something that a lot of people don't know. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to come into this, maybe pay a little money and make a lot of money. You're going to make a lot of money with a little money, but this is the catch to it that people don't realize or recognize. You have to put in the work behind that money. So let's just go ahead and dive into some of the tips today, guys. Okay, my first tip is mindset. If you're going to get into affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM, any type of business, online or offline, you have to have the proper mindset. Because if you do not believe that you can do it, no one else will. So that's the first thing you want to cover is mindset, guys. You have to have your mindset. And the way to do this is not by going to your friends and family, because they're gonna be the naysayers asking you, why are you doing this in the first place? But what you want to do is get with a community, or follow influencers and motivational books and audios to develop your mindset. Okay, tip number two. The next thing you're going to need is a product or offer or service to sell someone to make an income. And we're talking about affiliate marketing for beginners. So here we want to talk about affiliate products. And there's all sort of companies that you can get affiliate products through. And affiliate marketing is simply selling someone else's product, offer, or service through that company, and they'll pay you a commission for it. There's ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon, and a list of others out there. You can research that right there on YouTube, guys. Tip number three. Let's talk about your capture page, landing page, in order for you to capture someone's email so you can continue to engage with them and follow up with them about your business. A capture page is a simple page where you have your ad copy of what it is that you're providing, what service you're providing, or product. And if they're interested in finding out more about it, they give you their email address. And you can in turn follow up with them later and engage with them about your product, offer, or service. Tip number four is your email autoresponder. Okay, you remember when I said you're going to get their email so you can follow up with them and continue to let them know what's going on with your products and services? Well, with the email and the autoresponder, what it does is allow you to automatically engage with your prospect or customers. You can set up a 25 to 35 day email legacy letters, which is basically setting letters in there automatically to go out to however many days you want it to. If you got 25 letters you want to send out, that means when they first sign up, 25 days from that day to the 25th day, they're going to receive a letter from you each day talking about your business, product, and offer, and educating them on your product. Tip number five. So after you followed up with your customers through email, you want to basically rinse and repeat the same system over and over and over. And that's basically how you do affiliate marketing, guys, and generate a passive income online. And if you'd like to know a little bit more about this, my number one recommendation that I have for you